Well, boys, it has finally happened. Even though it's taken me forever to do it, my 350Z has finally got its windows tinted. I'm super excited. Obviously, window tints are something that like people do first, and it did take me a little while to get these done, but we finally got them done. I just wasn't really like ready for it, I guess. I just always kept buying other parts instead of buying the window tints, and I finally got it done. So it was only $320, and I'll tell you like the percentage when I get there, and I'll show you all around it and everything. But I think I'm gonna be happy with it. I think I'll still be able to see. The problem now is I'm gonna definitely need to get new headlights because my headlights are so dim that I'm probably not gonna be able to see too well with the headlights that I have now. So I'll probably have to get new ones, but yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait. I'm waiting for my uncle now to come here to pick me up so that he can drive me down there so I can pick up the Z, and then I can drive it back, obviously. And when I drive it back, I got the old GoPro strap right here. So I'll strap it on my head, let you guys get a POV of what everything looks like, and try to drive it with the windows up so that you guys can see. I've never had tinted windows on any of my cars, except for this one does, but only on the back windows. So like this is the front window, that's the back window. And I think it's like a 35% tint on the back windows. And so that's what it looks like. It's nothing crazy. And on the 350Z, it's gonna be a little bit more serious than that. But anyway, I'm super excited. I can't believe it. Window tints on the 350Z. We still have to do the duck bill, and then I actually have another thing I want to do that I haven't told you guys about yet, but we want to do that too. And then I want to buy a couple new parts now to get that Z build back up and going, boys. But yeah, I'm super excited. Without further ado, I'll cut to when I'm actually there and you guys can see the freaking 350. All right, boys, so there she is in all her glory. In all her glory. Look how dark it is. You can't see anything. You can see me. All right. You can't see shit. It's amazing. It's amazing. You can barely see in the front windshield. So the outsides, everything around here is 5%. 5%, 5%, 5%. Same on that side. The windshield is 35%, and I think it's perfect. I got it done here at Intense Image Window Tinting in Torrington, Connecticut. If you guys want to support this guy, absolutely do it, man, because this guy, amazing job. First of all, I got it done so fast. He snuck me in for an appointment as fast as he could. I only had to wait like a week, which was insane. And look at this. Look at the difference from outside to inside. This is 5%. Ready? Oh my god, that's sick. That is perfect. But yeah, he snuck me in. There he is right there. But he snuck me in last minute and was like, yeah, bro, I got you. I can help you out. But yeah, as I was saying, man, it's perfect. It's everything I wanted. I wanted it to be dark. Like I wanted to like feel like it's nighttime even when it's daytime, and that's exactly what it feels like. Once again, I can't thank this guy enough. He just came up to me and was all like, dude, I'm sorry for closing the door in the middle of me. Like, he's just a good guy. He's just such a good guy, bro. I really appreciate what he does. I can't roll my windows down for 3 to 5 days, as you see here. And so I'm kind of going to be stuck because I don't have AC, so I'm not going to drive this for a couple of days just so that I don't die of heat exhaustion. But dude, I can't believe it. And the best part, that's 35% front. On the outside, it's like almost pitch black. You can barely see inside, but you can still see perfectly fine on the inside looking through a 35% windshield. I thought it was gonna be as dark as it looks on the outside inside, and I was like, dude, I'm not gonna be able to see. That's not the case at all. Obviously, I'm gonna strap this on my head real quick. I got the strap on. That sounds weird, but I got it on. And I'm gonna drive it on my head real quick and give you guys my like actual thoughts. I'm gonna keep the windows rolled up because I have to, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alrighty. God, this car is such a weird clutch. Every time I drive it, I feel like it wants to stall, even though it doesn't. That's a nice truck over there. Dude, yeah, you can still like, so in the daytime, you can still see perfectly fine out of the side windshields. Or out of the side windshields. Out of the side windows, you can still see perfectly fine out of them. Unfortunately, dude, it's raining and it's not supposed to get wet for 5 days. So that absolutely sucks. I hope it stops freaking raining. I might ask my uncle if I could put it in the garage for a couple days here because I don't want this to automatically just want to peel off and everything. What the hell's going on there? There's a big old bump in the middle of the road there. But yeah, it's not supposed to get wet for the next couple of days, and it's getting wet, so that sucks. On the sides, I feel like no one can see what I look like. I feel like I could be naked driving right now, and no one's gonna even notice that I'm naked, you know? It's like, it's amazing on the sides. And then the front is still so clear, but it's still like you can barely see me driving. It's like the best of all worlds. It really is. Now, here's one thing. I I want to say really quick. So this is obviously 35%, but if you get 35% all the way around, it's going to be a little bit easier for you to look inside of the car, just because it's all these other windows aren't like darkening the inside, if that makes any sense. So even though 35% on my front windshield looks very like you could still barely see me through it, that's just because all my surrounding windshield windows are so dark. It doesn't make a difference, you know what I mean? If you had, or it does make a difference, it makes a big difference, but if you had all 35%, it's going to be a lot lighter on the windows and in the windshield, so people are going to see you a lot easier. But then again, you know, some people, they don't like going 5% because it's too hard to see or whatever. I think it's pretty easy, to be honest. I mean, it is daytime right now. I'd have to test it at nighttime, and my headlights kind of suck, but that just gives me more motivation to buy headlights finally, because I need headlights anyway. But I don't think it's going to be that bad anyway. I think I could still probably drive it with just my normal crappy headlights that I got in right now. There is like a legal limit on your tints. I want to make that very clear. I think it's 5%. I don't know. Everybody always says different things. You know, they're always like, oh, this is the legal limit, this is the legal limit. But you know, if you want to follow the law, I think it's even higher than that. I think it's like 35%. That's the legal limit. Which, if that's the case, I'm extremely illegal. But I don't know. That's up to you. Like, I love this car too. Yeah, if you want to follow the like law, look it up in your state. I also think that's another thing too. I think that states have different laws for tints and like what the legal limit is. So definitely just look it up if you want to follow the law. But then again, dude, if you're watching my channel, what are you doing? We're fun havers here. We have fun and do fun stuff. You know, I'm not saying that we don't follow the law. We do follow the law. We're very good law-abiding citizens, but we do fun stuff as well. But anyway, yeah, I love it. I'm gonna stop videotaping right now so I can like try to keep my breath, because it's very hot right now. I don't have AC and it's hot outside and I can't roll the windows down. And I'll update you guys when we get back to my uncle's house. All right, boys, that's actually going to be the end of today's video. I lied, I'm sorry. I always say boys, I gotta stop saying that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of today's video. I got in the PT Cruiser and I didn't want to go all the way back to my uncle's house just to film the outside again, even though you guys already saw the outside. But it is nice. I love the tints. They look great. Intense Image in Torrington, by the way. And once again, if you want to support him, he does good. It was pretty cheap. Got me in there fast. And I'm happy as hell with the work. The tints are amazing. On the inside, you can still see perfectly fine. It's a little bit darker, obviously. But from the outside, you can't even see me at all. It's just perfect. The perfect combo. Super happy about that. Next thing that we're going to do is hopefully finish up the duckbill finally. And then I want to get the other mod that I have, but I haven't told you guys what it is yet, on the car. And we'll do that too. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Das Vidania. Have a nice night.